In this Canva tutorial, let's take a look at how to move an image inside a frame. So what we're going to do first is add a frame. We're going to go down to the bottom and we're going to find elements here. And inside of elements, you can scroll down. You'll probably see frames here and you can click on one. If not, you can actually search for frames. So just search elements. We could type in frame. And then once we search for that, we're going to find the frames category and everything else. You can even go to this category too, frames right here. So let's add this circle frame, for instance. I'm just going to tap on it, and the circle frame gets added to our design. I can move it around wherever I want, but let's put a photo inside of this frame. So we're going to go back, and whether or not you're going down here to your camera roll or back to elements to find a photo, it doesn't matter, but we're going to go to the elements section. We can go to search elements, all these categories pop up, and so we could actually click on photos, search for photos, anything like that. I'm going to go ahead and tap on photos here. And some of these are pro. You can see that they have a little king icon. If you want to use pro stuff, there's a free trial in the description down below and the top comment for Canva Pro for 30 days. But you're going to see all these different photos. Let's just add in a photo here. So I'm going to tap on a photo and it's going to add it to our design. And once it's added into our design, we can actually just click and drag it around and hover over our frame to add it into the frame. Now, how do we move this thing around? How do we scale it up and down? Because it seems like I'm just locked in, and if I try to scale, the frame scales with it. Well, you're going to double tap on the image. And once you do that, you're going to enter into this cropping mode where you can rotate your image if you want to. You can also scale it up and down with the corners here, and then you can click and drag on the image to move it around. So we can get that centered right in there. And then we just tap on the outside of the image, and that'll take us back to our design. And so it's pretty easy there to crop an image inside of a frame or to move an image inside of a frame. You can even rotate it as well. But if you want to take the image out of the frame, then what you'll do is just click on the frame, click the three dots, and then scroll down on your options down here, and you'll see Detach Image. That's what you have to do to pop that image back out. And now we have that image outside the frame again. And so we can drag it in, drag a different image in, but that's how you can move an image inside of a frame on Canva.